Today's video, I'm going to teach you Photoshop. Create barcode and QR codes in Photoshop on the web. We'll be creating a QR code, bringing it into Adobe Photoshop on the web, and then preparing it so it fits cleanly into your design. This is a simple workflow that works well for things like posters, flyers, business cards, packaging, and social media graphics. To begin, open your web browser and go to qr.io. Once the site loads, choose the kind of QR code you want to make. In this example, we're creating one that links to a website, but the process is very similar for other QR code types as well. Enter your website address into the text field, then click Generate QR Code. After the code is created, download it and save it as a PNG file. PNG is a great choice here because it keeps the image crisp and may also support transparency, depending on how the file is generated. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Photoshop on the web. If you're asked to sign in, log in with your Adobe account. Once Photoshop loads, decide whether you want to start from scratch or work inside an existing design. You can click New Blank File for a fresh project, or Open Image if you already have something ready and just want to add the QR code to it. With your document open, import the QR code by dragging the PNG directly onto the canvas. You can also use the File menu and choose Place Embedded. Photoshop will put the QR code on its own layer, which makes it much easier to adjust without affecting the rest of your design. Now select the QR code layer. Use the Move tool to place it roughly where you want it, then drag a corner handle to resize it. Try to resize only from the corners so the proportions stay correct. That helps keep the code sharp and scannable. Continue positioning the QR code until it sits comfortably in your layout. Make sure it doesn't cover important text or images, and try to leave a little open space around it. That extra breathing room can improve scan reliability. If you want the QR code to better match your design, you can customize it using the Adjustments panel. Try options like hue and saturation, or use layer effects if they're available in your version. Just be careful not to change the colors so much that the code becomes difficult to scan. It's always smart to test it with your phone before exporting. If the QR code file has a white background and you want it removed, select the Magic Wand tool, click the white area, and press Delete to make it transparent. If your PNG already has a transparent background, you can skip that. To make the QR code more inviting, select the Text tool and add a short label such as Scan Me. Visit our website, view our menu, watch the tutorial, or learn more. A simple prompt gives people context and encourages interaction. When everything looks good, go to File and choose Export As. Select PNG if you want the best quality or transparency, or choose JPG if you need a smaller file size. And that's it. Your QR code design is now ready to share online or print. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.